Hi everyone. Just thought I'll do a simple video today. There are lots of new people coming on treks with us. So just thought I'll do a video to show you guys how to do a simple ranger roll. This is something that can come in very handy on a trek because it's an extremely compact way of packing all your gear, especially your t-shirts, your jackets. And the way that I'll teach you, it doesn't take much space. It's extremely compact, so there's not much air, so it really reduces the movement of the gear within the pack, and also obviously creates a lot of space in the pack for you to keep as much stuff as possible. So I'll start off by just making the first thing is first, you have to make sure that your shirt, in this case your t-shirt, is facing, the back side is facing you. So the first thing you would do is you would make a neat little fold. So let's say you take 1 finger's distance on both sides and then you make a fold here. The second thing is that you will fold the t-shirt as you would fold any normal t-shirt in this manner. So you have to make sure that there's as little folds in the t-shirt as possible, that it's as flat and without creases as you can make it. Then you turn it around, so now the head is facing you and you start rolling. So this is crucial that you roll it as tight as possible. Once you reach it, you just use this little pocket that you've created and fold it over like this. This makes it very compact, easy, you can fit it in your backpack. So that's it, that's a ranger roll. Thank you.